God, I'm running out of space to put all these items. God, it looks an absolute tip. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. It is great to have you. So guys, I've just had lunch and I just feel absolutely buzzing. I'm just like, let's go. So you're getting it's hyper Shan today because I don't know what I put in my lunch, but yeah, I'm feeling good. So as you can see from the title, I am doing a Amazon haul. Sis over here has been spending a lot of coin on Amazon, so I thought, you know what, let me just get on camera, show you guys what I've picked up. I would suggest, highly suggest, you get your wallet, your card, your whatever you use, because you're going to want to spend money. I have picked up a lot of random things, so I know there's going to be something for everyone in this video. So before we get into the main haul, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss another day in the life with Shan. So yeah, let's get on to the main video. The first thing that I picked up were these dresser organizers. So if you watched my get to know me tag, you will know that I'm a bit of an organized freak. So when I saw these, I was just like, yes. So what you do with them, you put them in your chest of drawers, and you then can organize your t-shirts and your clothes or your underwear into these, and it just makes the drawers look 100% nicer. So a bit of backstory, I actually filmed this video a couple of weeks ago, but I just wasn't liking it, so I just deleted the whole footage. Since then, I've purchased more of these. So when I first filmed, I had some, and then I organized my drawers and I was just like, I need more. Guys, you get 6 in a pack, so you get 2 large ones like this, and then you get some skinnier ones, and then you get some and then you get some smaller ones, and they just organize your drawers. You don't even have to put clothes in them. You can also put other bits, like if you've got some drawers and you just want to separate some items, these are really handy. So they do come, let me just show you. So they do come folded like this, and then you get the inside bit, and you just pop it inside there like that, and Bob is your uncle. Dresser organizers were $13.99, and I have already organized my drawers. So what I'll do is I'll insert a clip of my drawers and the ones that I've organized already, and if you are an organised freak, you are going to love what I've done to my drawers. So I will show you, and I will put a clip in to show you what I've done with that. And then guys, look. So these organisers are amazing to just put inside your drawers to just get everything organized. I've got some space here for some new clothes. So the next item that I picked up, so keeping onto the similar sort of theme of storage and organizing, were these woven, let me just get them for you, were these woven baskets. So this one's still open, but it comes with a lock like that, so it closes, and you get 3 in the packet that you order. So it comes with a large one like this. This one is slightly lopsided just because the story, I sat on it. I don't know how, do not ask me how I sat on it, but I did. So it's a bit lopsided. It didn't actually come like this. So you get a large one like this, and then you get a size up from the large one. Oh, it's almost as big as me. So you then get this one, that's the size up, and then you then get the one that I've just showed you, which is this. So I absolutely love these. So as you can see, because it's bloody popping out. In this one, I've just got like all my chargers and stuff for like YouTube, just because they were getting on my nerves. They were just all around the place, so I just wanted something that I could put them in and to just keep everything nice and tidy. So I picked up the black ones just because it's the theme that I wanted in my room and what I've got, but they do them in a grey, I think, and they also do it in like a creamy colour. I think that's an absolute bargain. $20.99 for 3 storage baskets. I think that's an absolute bargain. So the next item that I picked up, again, like I said guys, this is a very random haul. So I picked up this tissue dispenser or this tissue holder, whatever you want to call it, and it's just, you know when you've got the box of tissues and it just looks a bit ugly and you're just like, oh. So I picked up this white one just so you can put the tissues in, and it just makes the tissues look a lot nicer. You can get them in the square ones or you can get them in the rectangle ones like I've got. They do this in a black, and they also do it of course in the white, and as you can see it's this type of material, so you can easily just wipe it down and dust it down, so it's easy to clean. So yeah, I really like that. I think my mum wants me to purchase one for the living room as well, because she's like, oh yeah, that's nice, and I was like, oh, it is, isn't it? This was $13.99, so yeah, not too bad on that. Guys, the next item that I picked up were these poached egg holders. So I'm not sure if that video is going out before this one or after, but I have a food shop haul from Asda, and you would see that I said that I absolutely love poached eggs, and this is what I make my poached eggs in. So again, probably really random, really pointless, but it just makes making poached eggs a lot easier. So the thing with this is, though, I learnt the hard way the first time I used these. So you just put a little bit of oil in, pop your egg in, pop it in your saucepan, pop the lid on, and then wait for however long or how you like your eggs in the morning, and then they just pop out of the little container. For the 4 of these were $6.97. Not too bad. They're reusable, so you just wash them, put it in the draining board, and they're good to go for the next day. So if you liked, oops, what is the matter with me today? I just don't understand. So then moving on to the next item, I picked this up a while ago off Amazon, so this isn't quite new, but I thought I'd just whack it into the haul anyway, and it is just this diffuser. So it's an essential oil diffuser. I absolutely love this. This might not be to everyone's tasting, and I know some people think it doesn't work or whatever, but some people use it just because they like the smell that comes out of it. So let me just explain what it does. I guess that would be useful. You put your oil inside this bit, pop some water in it, and it just has a nice smell. It can be really good. I know it helps a lot of people with anxiety. My favourite choice of oils are lavender oil, jasmine oil and sage to get rid of the bad energies. I whack it on sometimes in the morning, so as I'm getting ready for work or getting ready for the gym, just to start my day off, and it just makes me feel like zen. I know that sounds really like extra, but yeah, I really like it, and you're also getting some nice smells as well because you're putting your oil of choice. So the diffuser was $18.99, so not too bad. They do larger ones of these as well. So the next item that I picked up from Amazon, so this is quite recent, and it's just this lavender oil. So as I mentioned, I like to use lavender oil in the diffuser, but I also use lavender oil for my hair. So I mix this with castor oil and coconut oil, and I use that as a scalp oil for my hair, and I absolutely love that. It has sort of been making my hair grow, to be honest, because as you can see, sis needs a haircut, but obviously there is no way of getting a haircut for now. So the lavender oil is £11.49, so that is actually really good for essential oils. and it comes in this size bottle. This coconut oil, this large jar, I don't know if you can see that well, but this large jar was £7.45, so that was an absolute bargain, I think, and this will last me quite long. So guys, the next thing that I picked up, sticking on the theme of beauty, it was these cotton pads. So these are reusable, these cotton pads. So what you do with them essentially is you use them as you would a regular cotton pad, and then you pop it in the bag, and then all you do is close the little bag and you pop it in the washing machine, and they come out as good as new. So I picked these up and I started using these for about 2 weeks or so, around 2 weeks or 3 weeks. I started using these, but I've got extremely sensitive skin, so these actually weren't that good for my skin type. But if you don't have sensitive skin like myself, these are really good to pick up because it saves you having to buy cotton pads. They're eco-friendly, they're good for the environment, and everyone's got to do their bit for the environment, to be honest. These were £9.99, so just say £10. Hopefully someone that's watching this will purchase this and do their bit for the environment. I picked up this scarf holder. How great is it, guys? So it comes in different sizes. So you've got 2 large ones and you've got 2 small ones, and essentially you just put your scarves on it, and it saves a lot of space within the wardrobe. Instead of having your scarves all over the place, you'll just have them in one place, with this little handy hanger. Oh, handy hanger. I'm losing it, guys. I'm absolutely losing it. A pack of 2 for £5.96, and so I'll show you one that I have made earlier. So as you can see, this has all my scarves on it, and it's just really great to organize everything all in one. And as you can see, I've got the woolly scarf like for winter down at the bottom, and then the lighter scarves I've popped at the top. The next item that I picked up, guys, really boring, but it was just these assortment of nails. I have been doing quite a bit of DIY / hanging up a lot of frames, as you can see in the background, so I just needed some nails to do that, and I just picked these up. This was an absolute bargain. It's £2.95, and as you can see, you get an assortment of nails. I will leave in the description bar below everything that I've picked up, and also the link, so that if you do want to pick anything up, you don't have to faff around, you can just go straight through to it. I needed a new tripod because in Dubai last year, my old one broke, so I just needed a new one to do my vlogs. It's so strong, and what you do is you can press this button here, and this moves with it, so you can sort of change the angle of the camera or of your phone. If you're looking for a tripod, I would highly recommend this one. I can tell this is going to last me a very long time. The price of the tripod is £19.99, but from experience, like I said, I had an old tripod which was on the cheaper side, and it just broke, it just fell to pieces. So I would recommend this one if you are looking for a new one. So the next item that I picked up was this photo album. So I wanted for a very long time, I'm talking about maybe a year ago or 2 years ago, I've been banging on about making a photo album, but I just haven't got around to it. So I guess with everything that's going on, this has forced me to finally make this photo album. So I picked up this photo album from Amazon, and it is an absolutely a bargain. So I got it in this black version. I do think they do it in some other colours. This photo album holds 200 photos. I'll show you the inside. So you also have got a space to put your notes in if you are doing a bit of traveling and you want to reminisce. I'm actually going to do that. So the cost of this was £10.99, and I have printed off some photos. So I used I used a company called Snapfish, and I kid you not, I would highly recommend them. I picked picked up 191 photos and I paid £11 for those. They did have a discount at the time, but it was such a good buy. I think without the discount it was £21, which I thought was good anyway for 191 photos. And moving on to the last item that I picked up, I honestly have saved the best item till last. I am so excited to show you guys this. So I picked up, let me just show you it in its case. So this is a rechargeable lighter. You heard, a rechargeable lighter. So what you do is you charge it, of course, because it's a rechargeable lighter, and you turn the switch on, and then you flick this button up like that, and it just lights your candles. I'm not sure if it would work on cigarettes and stuff like that, but for candles it is an absolute lifesaver. So I will show you how it works. Like I said, you turn it on and then you just flick this up like that. So let me just show you on this candle that I've just got there. Ooh. So I'm just not gonna guys, did you just see that? Look at that. So it just, I don't know how it works. I don't know the science behind it. I don't know. I'm not a scientist, but it works. So it doesn't need charging regularly at all. This has lasted quite a while. I say that and it's just died. Oh no, it hasn't. So it shows you how much battery it's got left, and it has, like I said, got the safety lock on. So if you, when it's off, if you then flick that up, nothing's gonna come out. And guys, it's still there. This is honestly my favorite thing from the haul. I will not be buying matches ever again just because I've got this absolute beauty. So yeah, if there's anything you pick up, I would say this is it, because this is my favourite item from the haul. Everyone needs this in their household. Can you tell that I absolutely love this? So yeah, that's the last item that I picked up. So guys, that's the end of the video. I told you, hopefully you've all managed to stay to the end of this video and you just didn't run off because of my craziness. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Hopefully there's something that you want to now pick up. I absolutely love Amazon. I think you can't go wrong with it. If you want something and you don't know where to find it, or you're looking for something and you don't know if it exists, then just have a look on Amazon and you will find it. So thank you very much everyone for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I've got lots of content coming up really soon, so if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you don't miss another day in the life with Shan. And I shall see you in my next video. Bye.